Well, good morning, everybody. How you doing? Hey, Rickster, Julie, Mike, Fred, everybody doing okay? Happy Thursday to you. Today is, Thursday, May 23rd, 2023, 24, excuse me, 24. Good morning, Nathan. Let's take a look at this market. Yowzer, huh? Look at that SPY gap up. This is for somebody wanting to know what a pop out of the box is, this is a gorgeous pop out of the box right here. That is nice. Where we pop up, and it can be, it can be a gap up like this. It can be, a string of candles just moving up, and then we go sideways. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what I would call perfection, pop out of the box. So here's the box, and then we're popping out right now, pre-market here. So that is a gorgeous, gorgeous chart. Also, prices come down and met up with the T-line. I think that just, like I said, I think it's just a beautiful, beautiful pop out of the box right here. So, needless to say that I'm pretty bullish, pretty bullish on everything. Price is above the T-line. T-line is above the trend indicator, and then bonus, we're above the 50 period moving average. That's a bonus. Another bonus is that we're making some all-time new highs. That is a bonus as well. And the reason that's a bonus is because down here, every candle is fighting some sort of resistance. You're not fighting any resistance up here. You're fighting, an overbought situation, maybe too stretched out, but you're not fighting any kind of resistance. So go SPY. Take a look at the Qs. They're rocking. Once again, we've got everything lined up. And this means the world to me for trading. Price above the T-line, T-line above the trend indicator. And I mean, that's what we have all through here. Same thing. And then what we look for to trade is when price takes a rest, and then we look for those breakouts, even move it over here. Or price takes a rest and we look for it. This one is, what I'm trying to do is, takes a rest and just puts in a bullish candle here, setting up for that flag right in there. 3-8 trap is well known. You guys might recognize that. My favorite is same as a 3-8 trap. I don't know how to really explain this. I keep saying it the same way, and it just seems like I could find a better way to say it, but I can't seem to do that. The way I do it is below the highest high in the past 5 days. So this is below the highest high in the past 5 days. It would open up below the highest high in the past 5 days, that being the highest high. Many times that's a 3-8 trap, but many times it's not. The point is it's making that J-hook continuation pattern. That's what I'm really looking for. Let's take a look at IYT, because I think with all the NVDA excitement, I forgot to look at this last night. So here we've got the transport putting in a very long-legged hammer here. If that tail to the top tail was a little bit higher, we could call that a rickshaw doji, but it's not quite. The tail, the bottom is long enough to call it that part of it, but it's just not, the top is not. But that's okay, we're good enough. Let's see if the bulls can't pick this up now and get in the game. If we could get the transports and SMH in tune, daddy-o, we've got a bullish chart, that bullish market. That would be very nice. All right, let's take a look at some charts. Here, let's start with the big daddy right here. NVDA. So NVDA reports earnings, blew it out of the water. Go NVDA. Of course, all you guys all know I bought some NVIDIA. Some folks in here bought NVIDIA or stocks related to NVIDIA. So congratulations to everybody for picking up some of that, and you're doing quite well today. Upside targets on this, I'm going to look at 1,078, and then maybe 1134 up here. But we're going to monitor price. Don't be a hero in it. Don't be a hero. Make sure you take your profits. For those that want the split, from what I understand, they're splitting November 6th, 10 to 1. So, that might be something to think about too. Anyway, we'll monitor this as it goes. Hey, yeah, next month, June. This is May, right? May, June. Yeah, next month, June 6th. Plug may be setting up. Take a look at Plug here. Plug has, let me get my arrows out. There we go. Plug has got a pretty good downtrend here. And then all of a sudden, here we break out and we come back and settle down. This is a rounded bottom breakout too. I love that. And here we've got, we're pulling back a couple of dojis in here, then a bullish candle. So far this morning, it looks like the bulls want to take it up. That's a good sign. So keep an eye on Plug. Plug may be a nice little trade for somebody. AMD is rocking. We've got a very nice bottom put in here. This is a inverted head and shoulders right there. Here we've rallied up to the 50-period moving average and pulled back just like it should. And creating a flag. We broke out yesterday. We're showing follow through today. I think AMD is on its way higher. A good target. Here, let's put a target up there. First good target would be a 182.60. MU is still killing it. We've got a very nice bullish W pattern here. Inverted head and shoulders and W pattern is my favorite reversal type pattern, and that is W. Here we've rallied up, flag, very typical, very easy, very, very simple. Price, whoops, pen, price leads the T-line leads the trend indicator. Bonus over the 50-period moving average. Bonus, nice reversal pattern. As a trader, we trade in probabilities. There's nothing absolute about trading. It's probabilities. So what you want to do is you want to put the probabilities in your favor. So things like this, what I just did, that's putting the probabilities in your favor. And then you trade the price action. Tesla. I'm still holding my Tesla. Here we've got this inverted head and shoulders right there. And nice little trend starting to work. Big pop up. We just came down and flattened out here. Nice candle the other day. Nice inside day, followed by an inside day. Once again, price is leading the trend indicator. T-line leads trend indicator. All is looking good. Well, let's put Rivian up here. Rivian ended up yesterday with a very nice candle. This is a rising, what I would call a rising method, where you have a bullish candle, and then you have a couple down candles, and then a bullish candle right here. So with the rising method, we're going to use that first candle. Over that first candle is where the bullishness starts. That's where the buying, if you're waiting for the candlestick signal to signal, and you're waiting for the follow through, you're waiting for everything on the candlestick side, above 1050 is where the buy is. That's a tradable bottom above that, because there's your strong candle, a couple of weak candles, and then the strong candle took out the strong candle. Stronger candle took out the strong candle. So above that, again, about 1050 is the tradable bottom on that. Many of us already have it, buying a little lower. Still looks great here. The last one I have is, let's throw PFE up here. PFE has just done a wonderful job. A nice double bottom, bullish W pattern. Here we rally up. Big pop yesterday, stopped right at the 200-period moving average. So if we take a look at the weekly chart here, I think there's a ton of room to move up. Right now, my target's around 32, a little more than 32. You will have the 50-period moving average in here that I'm almost positive it will cause a little bit of a speed bump. Maybe not too much, though. And then let's see if we can get to that 32 and little change. And then from there, we've got a nice run, probably up to the 35. In fact, let me do that. 34, 35 area. back to the daily. So there's what the targets. Ooh, I'm going to drop that down to right there. There we go. So there's 2 targets there on the daily chart, 32, 34, after we clear that 200 period moving average. So, hey, going to be a great day. Don't forget to take some of those profits. And again, congratulations to everyone that played NVIDIA or something related to NVIDIA. Turned out to be a really good trade for us. Really, really good. Alrighty, I'll see everybody at the bottom of the hour. Thank you so very much for being here, listening to the pre-market chatter here, okay? We'll see you. Take care.